Today's our video is about world's top 10 beautiful, heart-touching birds. Without wasting our time, let's get to the video. Number 10. Hyacinth Macaw. Hyacinth macaws are the largest of the parrots and, as their name implies, are covered with bright blue plumage. They have bare yellow eye ring circles around large black eyes, a yellow chin, a strongly hooked beak and zygodactylous feet, 2 toes that point forward and 2 toes that point backward. Their size is approximately 100 centimeters and weight is approximately 1,550 to 1,600 grams. Their diet includes seeds, fruits, nuts, and berries. The incubation of eggs is approximately 29 days. Fledging duration is about 4 months, then they remain with parents for up to a year. The sexual maturity is 2 to 4 years. The lifespan is 30 to 50 years or more. Number 9. Wood duck. The wood duck or Carolina duck is a species of perching duck found in North America. It is one of the most colorful North American waterfowl. The wood duck is a medium-sized perching duck. A typical adult is from 47 to 54 centimeters in length with a wingspan of between 66 to 73 centimeters. Their weight is 450 grams. Wood ducks eat seeds, fruits, insects, and other arthropods. The incubation period for wood ducks varies, but is usually between 28 and 32 days. The entire clutch hatches in less than 24 hours. Average age at sexual or reproductive maturity 365 days. In the wild, the average life expectancy of the wood duck is thought to be 3 to 4 years. They can live up to 15 years in captivity. Number 8. Bohemian Waxwing. The Bohemian Waxwing has a grayish-brown body, a crest of feathers on its head, and a black mask around its eyes. It has white and yellow edges on its wings and a waxy yellow tip on its tail. The underside of its tail is a reddish color. Males and females look alike. The Bohemian Waxwing is a starling-sized bird 19-23 cm in length with a 32-35.5 cm wingspan, and an average weight of 55 grams. The Bohemian Waxwing eats insects and some fruit during the breeding season, but switches to eating almost entirely fruit during the non-breeding season. The eggs are incubated for 13-14 days by the female alone. She is fed regurgitated berries by her mate. The clutch size of eggs is 2 to 6 eggs. They fledge about 14-16 days after leaving the egg. The lifespan of the Bohemian Waxwing is around 5 years. Number 7. Blue Jay. The blue jay is between 9 and 12 inches in length and average weight is 70 to 100 grams. It is bright blue on top and white to gray on its throat, chest, and belly. It has a gray-blue crest on its head and black and white bars on its wings and tail. Its bill, legs and feet are black. It also has a black necklace on its lower throat. The blue jay is omnivorous. It eats fruits, acorns, seeds, nuts, insects, mice, and frogs. Sometimes a blue jay will raid a nest for eggs and young birds. The male feeds the female while she is brooding the eggs. There are usually between 3 and 6 eggs laid and incubated over 16-18 days. The young fledge usually between 17-21 days after hatching. Sexual maturity is reached after 1 year. Blue jays have been recorded to live for more than 26 years in captivity, and one wild jay was found to have been around 16-17.5 years old. Number 6. Atlantic Puffin. It is a short and stocky diving seabird about 12 inches in length with a wingspan of 20 to 24 inches. Its weight is about 490 grams. It is black on its upper sides and white on its chest and belly. It has bright orange webbed feet, a white face and cheeks, and a large, triangular parrot-like bill that is bright red and yellow. Adult puffins mostly eat small fish, such as sand eels, herring, hake, and capelin. Puffins lay only a single egg, in late April or early May. Both parents incubated for 36 to 45 days, and they share the feeding duties until the chick is ready to fledge. The fledging period is from 34 to 60 days, depending on the area and year. In the wild, puffins can live around 20 years. Number 5. Keelbilled Toucan. The Keelbilled Toucan is a large bird with mostly black plumage and a very large multicolored bill. It has red and white coverts under and on top of its tail, green skin around the eyes and lower, a yellow face and throat, and blue legs. The Keelbilled Toucan ranges in length from around 42 to 55 centimeters and it typically weighs about 380 to 500 grams. The diet of Keelbilled toucans consists mostly of a wide range of fruit, but may also include insects, eggs, nestlings and lizards. They work on the size of the cavity to make it suitable for a clutch size usually of 2 to 4 white eggs. The eggs are incubated by both parents for an average period of 18 days. Both parents continue to care for and feed the chicks, with the fledglings staying in the nest for 6 to 9 weeks. Keelbilled toucans reach sexual maturity at the age of 3 to 4 years. Keelbilled toucan can survive 15 to 20 years in the wild. Number 4. Peacock. Peacocks are large, colorful pheasants, typically blue and green, known for their iridescent tails. These tail feathers, or coverts, spread out in a distinctive train that is more than 60% of the bird's total body length and boast colorful eye markings of blue, gold, red, and other hues. Peafowl are large birds with males measuring up to 2.3 meters, 7.5 feet, in length and females being smaller at 86 centimeters, 34 inches, in length. The tail length of the male peafowl can be 4 to 5 feet. Peacocks weigh 9 to 13 pounds and peahens weigh 6 to 9 pounds. Peacocks are ground-dwelling birds, eating insects, plants, fruit, seeds, ants, flies, snakes and amphibians. The incubation period lasts up to 28 days. Females lay a clutch size of 3 to 6 eggs. The average lifespan of peacock is 10 to 25 years. Number 3. Flamingo. Flamingos are large, pink wading birds with long legs. Their legs appear to bend backwards and are used to wade through waters searching for food. Flamingo plumage, or feathers, coloration ranges from pale to dark pink. The greater flamingo is the tallest of the 6 different species of flamingos, standing at 3.9 to 4.7 feet with a weight up to 3.5 kilograms. In the wild, flamingos eat algae, crustaceans, brine shrimp, diatoms, and aquatic plants. At the zoo, a special flamingo fare is served. To preserve their rosy color at the zoo, flamingos are fed a commercially prepared diet high in carotenoids. Incubation begins soon after the egg is laid. The incubation period is between 27 and 31 days. Both the male and female take turns incubating the egg by sitting on top of the nest mound. Flamingos most often lay one large egg. Flamingos reach sexual maturity several years after hatching and usually begin to breed at about 6 years of age. The average lifespan of an American flamingo in the wild is 40 years. They can live about 60 years in captivity. Number 2. Scarlet Macaw. Macaws are the largest parrots in the world. The body of the scarlet macaw from beak to tail can be as long as 33 inches. The average weight is about 1 kilogram. This beautiful macaw has a creamy white, almost featherless face, with bright red plumage covering most of its body, wings, and long tail. The scarlet ranges in size from 32 to 39 inches in length. Its strong, hooked beak is perfect for breaking nuts and seeds. Interestingly, the scarlet macaw can eat fruits toxic enough to kill other animals. Scarlet macaws form monogamous pair bonds that last for life. The clutch size is 2 to 4 white, rounded eggs with an incubation period of 24 to 25 days. Females mainly incubate the eggs. Scarlet macaws reach sexual maturity at 3 or 4 years of age. The scarlet macaw can live up to 75 or even 90 years in captivity, although a more typical lifespan is 40 to 50 years. Number 1. Golden Pheasant. They have a golden crest tipped with red which extends from the top of their heads, down their necks. They have bright red underparts, dark colored wings and a pale brown, long, barred tail. Their rumps are also golden, Upper backs are green and they have bright yellow eyes with a small black pupil dot. The size of males average 110 cm and females average 65 cm. They tend to eat berries, grubs, seeds and other types of vegetation. The hen will begin to lay her clutch of 5 to 12 eggs in April and, if removed for incubation, another clutch will usually be deposited in June. The hen incubates the eggs for 22 to 23 days. The chicks fledge after 12-14 days. Male golden pheasants are usually sexually mature by the time they are about a year old. One fertile male can service up to 4 females. The average lifespan of golden pheasants is 5 to 6 years, however, captive birds that are well taken care of could live 15 or even 20 years. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more and press the bell icon for another update.